Good morning, good morning. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, thank the Lord for another day. Yes, another day for me to repent of my sins. Yes, yes, yes. As I always love to say, yes, it's another opportunity for me to know, to look into myself, yes, and see where I have wrong, yes, and ask the Lord to forgive, yes, yes, yes. Well, this morning it is raining cats and dogs, yes, yes, yes. Yes, it has been raining since yesterday and it continues into this morning. I am not sure what is going to happen in the afternoon. It is about approximately 11 a.m. Yes, so the weather here is a bit unpredictable because even though it is raining cats and dogs now, yes, in the afternoon the sun might come out in all its glory, yes, yes, but this is what is happening right now. Rain, rain, rain. I'm logging out now. So have a blessed day, everyone. And remember, if you can, be good. Be careful. Bye.